on how to create a pivot table in Google Sheets. This is pertaining specifically to the direct mail demand gen example that one of our clients had, and we are helping them out. So very quickly, as you read in the blog, this is a dummy data set. The original data set was around 5,400 leads. This one is 200 leads, and we kind of scrabbled up the data a little bit, so it's just some fictitious names. But say, for instance, I want to kind of do a quick count of how many leads of each company there are, right? So you can kind of see there's probably, I'm going to guess 20, because you see 2 minus 21. But again, you have a large amount of data, so you want to quickly utilize a pivot table to kind of quickly check things out. And then the use case is then boiling down how many leads are per company. And what we want to do is limit the amount of direct mailers that are going out to around, for instance, 5 leads per company. So what you do is you just hit data up here at the top, you hit pivot table. I'm going to do it on a new sheet, and then it brings you over here, and then over here it says pivot table editor. Google Sheets makes it quite simple for you. So you're going to add a row, and it's already grabbing company name because I've done it before, and you'll see all the companies that are in our data set of 200 leads are listed here. And then we're going to go a step farther and go to values, and then hit company name, and then you can summarize it all different types of ways. But I want to do a count, right? And this way, right, it's going to add up the different company names of how many leads are associated with that company, right? So so a very quick way of kind of getting a bird's eye view of some of the outliers here. So as you can see, there are definitely some outliers that we are going to have to attend to with the sales team. So hope you enjoy this video. Thanks.